Teach Me TV, here today to bring you another fantastic video. Have you seen this?
Brings another round of layoff announcements, especially in tech. Amazon, Meta, Twitter, Salesforce, Lyft, all among the companies cutting jobs. Media companies are laying off workers too. Even consumer giants like Walmart and Pepsi are reportedly trimming staff. At the same time, the overall job market, though, is in desperate need of workers. There are more than 10 million job openings in the United States, about 3 million more than before the pandemic. Weekly unemployment claims are low and hiring remains robust. So what's really going on in the job market? High-profile headlines about tech layoffs don't tell the whole story. The industry hired aggressively during the pandemic, and now it's scaling back.
It's important to note that tech is a very small percentage, 2% of the overall labor market. So tech is not a bellwether for the real economy or for the labor market.
Other sectors like leisure and hospitality and healthcare are much bigger, and they're still adding jobs. Those companies want to hang on to their workers, not fire them. The question now is whether the job market can stay strong. The Federal Reserve is raising interest rates to slow the economy as it tries to fight inflation. And the Fed chief himself admits that's going to cost jobs.
There will be some softening in labor market conditions. And I wish there were a completely painless way to restore price stability. There isn't. And this is the best we can do.
For Powell, slaying the inflation dragon is the priority, even if it means losing jobs. The Fed predicts the unemployment rate will rise to 4.6% by the end of the year.
Companies laying off their employees by the hundreds, even thousands. Amazon just laid off 10,000 employees. Google laid off over 12,000 employees. Wayfair just laid off over 1,300 employees. The list goes on and on. I'm curious to know, when are you going to wake up and see that this corporate ladder isn't made to get you rich? It's made to get others rich. This is why we encourage everyone to start transitioning to online jobs, freelance work that gives you the freedom you need to start your online business. Make sure you watch this video to the end, and we will give you 5 reasons why you should start gearing towards online jobs, freelance work. And as a bonus, we will give you the top 10 highest paying online jobs for beginners and the more experienced as well. If you're ready, then let's go. Are you like the majority of people, thinking it's about time you start pivoting into something new? Do you want to take your career to the next level? Are you looking for an exciting job in a fast-growing field? Consider making that move into social media jobs. Social media is the fastest-growing field today, and it's no surprise that there's a growing demand for social media professionals across a range of industries. With the increasing demand of digital media and its impact on business decisions and communication, there's never been a better time to get involved. Social media jobs can involve anything from content creation and curation to analytics and influencer marketing. You can focus on a specific platform such as TikTok, Twitter, or Facebook, or you can take a more strategic approach, like SEO or Google Ads. This is for the more experienced. We suggest to think about this downline. What you have to remember when starting in any new field: it's natural to feel a little overwhelmed. When it comes to social media, there are a few common pain points that can arise early on. First, finding the right platform for your goals can be difficult. Social media platforms have different strengths and weaknesses, and understanding which one best suits your needs is essential. Second, staying ahead of the ever-changing trends and algorithms in the social media space can be tricky. Keeping up with the latest techniques and strategies is key to success in this field. Finally, managing an online presence requires a lot of dedication and hard work. Staying consistent and engaged with your followers is key to success in social media. With the right strategy and a bit of effort, you can succeed in building a strong online presence. Social media jobs can be highly rewarding. This is why we want to bring this to your attention. Now, this can be a lot to take in. This is why we are giving you a chance to join our free mini course webinar. That will give you the understanding on how social media marketing works. Hit the link below for more details. Back to the video. Working online offers several benefits. Here are the top 5 ways that working online can benefit you. 1. Flexibility. Working online gives you the flexibility to work wherever and whenever you want, making it an ideal option for those with busy lifestyles. 2. Avoiding commute. You can avoid the daily commute and save on transportation costs. 3. Lower costs. Many employers offer lower salaries for online jobs, allowing you to save money and make your budget go further. 4. Variety. Working online can give you access to more job opportunities in more industries, allowing you to broaden your experience and gain new skills. 5. Autonomy. Online work often gives you more autonomy and control over your work, allowing you to set your own pace and schedule. Wow! You made it all the way to the end of this video. So, for that we will give you this free PDF for you to download with all the highest paying social media jobs for beginners and as well as the experienced. We also threw in a few more tools that you could use in your marketing strategy. Here at Teach Me TV, we are all about making sure you do things the right way the first time. We hope you got tremendous value from watching this video today. If so, hit the like button, the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell for whenever we drop a new video. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.